Hi everyone, a very happy new year to all. I am owner of Personalized Physical Therapy and Wellness, Farhin Pathan. I'm a pelvic floor therapist and we're very excited to announce that we're holding an event on January 5th, 5:30 p.m. It's a virtual workshop on bladder health. We're partnering with Triad Lifestyle Medicine and I get very excited to share information on bladder health because as a pelvic floor therapist, I have worked with a lot of women and the women that I know. And based on the research that I've done on incontinence, a lot of women think that as they age or post-pregnancy, the bladder functions gets affected and they start to think it as a new normal. However, there are a lot of things that we can do to avoid the worsening of our bladder health. And in this workshop, we're going to share a few quick tips that you can apply right away and that will help improve the health of your bladder. So I'm looking forward to seeing you on this event. Make sure you register for the event. If you think you won't be able to attend at 5:30 on January 5th, you can still go ahead and register as you will get an instant replay. I hope you all have a very happy and healthy new year. Thank you.